So tonight we have another test. We are checking the actual settings to see if the settings are actually correct. So I've managed to put my idle fuel trim up to 43 from 12.5, and I've now got a tick over. I know it's not awkward to see, but it's actually fluctuating between 14, 15, I said 13.9 and 14.5, 15. So pretty close on the tick over there, the idle. I'll spin round in a minute. I'll show you what the wideband sensor is connected to. Shame I can't actually get that to sit still, that number for you, because it is actually showing the whole numbers. But anyway, to get it to, it was round here 22. There's so much air in it on tick over, and that point it was around here. So that's the best I've got it at the moment. So yeah, that's pretty good. But what I have been doing now is holding this at 3000 RPM and seeing what I get on there. So let me just, I don't know if I can show you. So the wideband sensor is connected to this Venturi. So it sucks it in the exhaust and samples it there. So we're at temperature, we're ticking over, and there's my air fuel ratio on tick over. So I'll hold it at some revs now. Hang on, let's put it on there so you can see the revs, guys. If I put it on diagnostics, there's the revs. So 13, 14, 13, 20, so hold it at that. So bear in mind, when I open the throttle, it's going to go lean rather quick. So on the long term fuels, I've got it at 8. I'm going to punch it up to a little bit more. I'm going to punch it up to, let's punch it up to 9. There we go, punched it up to 9. So we'll leave that on 9, put it back on diagnostics. So we've got the tick over. So 13, 15, 14, 5, tick over. So let's hold the revs. Keeping it at 2, 2, 2, 3. 2, 3. I think it needs a little bit more. So let's go back to tests. Let's go back to our long-term fuel trims. Let's put that up to, let's go to 10. There we go, we've got to 10. So, back on 10, let's see what happens now. So, pull some revs up slowly. Hang on, I'm creeping on my revs. What's that? 14, 15, 16. Getting better. to go and reach then. So let's put it back on tests. I think maybe I should leave that about 9.7, I think. Go back to tests, diagnostics. Okay, tick over. Air fuel. Revs. So 18. 14.8. That's pretty good. Let's see if I can just get it above 2. Holding it there. So that's too lean, just a little bit. So back to the tests. So that's too lean. So let's just give it that. See if that makes any difference at all. So try again. It's really hard trying to hold it at the revs. 1850. You know what, that's pretty damn good there. 14.15. 14.5. Yeah, pretty good at that revs. Just under 3. I think 3 for no. That's 2.5. That's pretty good. I think maybe I'll just richen it just a tiny little bit more. I think I'll go on the 9.9. See what happens. Here we go. So back to that, tick over revs. So 2000 RPM, 14.15. Average, maybe, I don't know. Let's just that's 3. It still looks a bit lean. Up in the upper end, isn't it? Look at that. So I think I'm going to richen it up even more. So I've got 10.2 there, long term. See if it makes any difference. Diagnostics. So let's tick over again. I think. So let's yeah, 15. bit lean, just a nudge, just a nudge. Oh, I think I might go super rich to see if I make a big difference. There you go, let's go, let's go, let's go 11. There we go, we've gone 11 now. Okay, so tick over again, still fine. Let's see what it does now. Try and hold some revs. 3,000, 2,000. Well, that's not bad. Not bad actually. 14, 15. See if I can hold it a bit more. 3,000. Oh yeah. So that's a little bit rich. That's 3.5. So I can see that's a little bit rich at 3.5. So that's 11. So maybe I should just drop it to 10.5. Alright. No. 10.5. And let's go to diagnostics and see what happens this time. So 1900. Spot on there, but that's at 3,000 and that's so that still looks a bit lean, doesn't it? Still looks lean at 2,500. So I think let's put it back to the 11. Let's put it to 10.8. There you go. So back to the revs. So tick over's good. That's 1760. Not bad. Just under 3,000. It looks a little bit lean, doesn't it? Well, I think I might leave it there tonight and actually do a test to ride it, but that's what I've ended up with today. Long term 10.8 and idle fuel trim 43. So there's my idle again, or the air fuel ratio jumping around between 14.3 and 15. Very sensitive, but I'll go around here if I can show it to you. I just wanted to show you. Oh! So the wideband is in there, strapped on this thing here, which is a Venturi, which is sucking the fumes in here. It's reading the sensor. So, yeah, that's what I've got. There's the jumping about a bit, but it's in the ballpark. I hope it was helpful. Made no difference to the tick over really. Maybe it'll be more stable when it's colder, because I do have a little bit of hunting. I think the proof of the pudding will be when I run it, check the plugs and see what the power's like. So I hope that's helped some people, and yeah, let's see what happens. Thanks for watching.